This might be the biggest AirPods upgrade Apple has ever made. Not because of better sound quality, not because of stronger noise cancellation, and not even because of Apple Intelligence. The real story is that Apple no longer wants your earbuds to be just earbuds. The AirPods Pro 3 are now trying to replace part of your fitness tracker, part of your translator, part of your camera remote, and maybe even part of your smartwatch experience. And at the same $249 price as before, this changes the buying decision completely. The first thing buyers need to know is simple. Apple kept the price exactly the same. $249. That alone is surprising, because almost every premium tech product in the last 2 years has become more expensive. Instead of increasing the price, Apple packed in more hardware, more sensors, more intelligence, more health tracking, more convenience features. And suddenly the AirPods Pro 3 look less like headphones and more like wearable computers for your ears. But that's not the biggest change. The feature attracting the most attention is heart rate sensing. Apple built custom infrared PPG sensors directly inside the earbuds. During workouts, these sensors continuously monitor your heart rate and calorie burn directly inside the fitness app. For runners, cyclists, gym users, and casual fitness users, this creates a very interesting question. Do you still need an Apple Watch for basic workout tracking? For many people, the answer may actually be no. If your main use case is tracking heart rate during cardio sessions, AirPods Pro 3 now handle that without requiring another device on your wrist. This is exactly the kind of ecosystem expansion Apple loves. The company is slowly turning every product into a health product. And this could be only the beginning. But here's where things get interesting. Apple also claims the AirPods Pro 3 deliver twice the active noise cancellation of the AirPods Pro 2. That is an enormous jump. Noise cancellation improvements are usually measured in small percentages. 10%, 15%, maybe 20%. Apple is talking about double. The upgrade comes from new ultra-low noise microphones combined with redesigned acoustic chambers and improved passive isolation. The foam-infused ear tips are doing much of the work here. Most buyers ignore ear tips. That would be a mistake. Better passive isolation means less work for the ANC system. Less work means better battery life. And better battery life means longer flights, longer work sessions, and fewer charging interruptions. For commuters and travelers, this alone could justify upgrading, especially if you spend hours every week on airplanes, trains, or public transportation. But that's not the biggest change. Live translation may become the feature that defines this generation. Imagine sitting in a taxi in Tokyo, ordering food in Paris, attending a business meeting in Germany, or speaking with clients in Spain. The AirPods Pro 3 can translate conversations directly into your ears in real time. No holding your phone up awkwardly. No typing, no stopping conversations. Just natural speech. This sounds like science fiction, but it is here. And this is exactly where Apple Intelligence starts becoming useful, instead of simply impressive. Most AI features today feel like demonstrations. Live translation feels practical. Travelers will love it. Business professionals will love it. Content creators attending international events will love it. Students studying abroad will probably wonder how they ever lived without it. There's one feature almost nobody is talking about: the redesigned fit. Apple slightly reduced the overall size of the earbuds while improving stability. The company also added an XXS ear tip option for users who struggled with previous generations. This sounds minor. It isn't. Comfort determines whether you wear earbuds for 30 minutes or 6 hours. The new foam-infused silicone tips improve comfort while also improving noise isolation. That creates 2 upgrades with 1 change. Most buyers miss this detail. Better comfort often becomes the feature you appreciate most after 6 months of ownership. Not benchmark scores. Not AI tricks. Comfort. The numbers look impressive, but real-world usage tells a different story. Battery life finally sees a meaningful improvement. The AirPods Pro 2 delivered roughly 6 hours with ANC enabled. The AirPods Pro 3 now push between 8 and 9 hours. That may not sound dramatic, but it changes how you use the product. International flights become easier. Long editing sessions become easier. Entire workdays become possible without reaching for the charging case. For professionals, creators, and remote workers, this is genuine upgrade value. And with the charging case included, total battery life climbs to around 26 hours. That's enough for most people to forget where they left the charging cable. Speaking of the charging case, Apple quietly made one of the smartest upgrades of the entire product. Precision finding. The new U2 chip extends the tracking range by roughly 50%. If you have ever lost your AirPods in a backpack, couch, hotel room, airport lounge, or office desk, You already understand how valuable this feature can become. The best technology is the technology that saves you from expensive mistakes. This feature does exactly that. But here's where things become even more interesting. Apple removed the setup button entirely. Instead, users now double tap an invisible capacitive area on the front of the case. Some people will love this. Others will hate it. This is classic Apple design philosophy. Fewer visible parts, cleaner hardware, more hidden interactions. Whether that improves usability will depend entirely on your habits. The head gesture controls feel much more useful. Nod to answer a call. Shake your head to decline it. Dismiss notifications without touching your phone. When your hands are full, these small quality of life upgrades suddenly become surprisingly valuable. Then there is the camera remote feature. You can trigger photos and videos directly from the earbud stems. For creators, travel vloggers, group photos, solo photographers, this may become one of the most used hidden features of the entire product. So how do they compare against the AirPods Pro 2? If you own the original AirPods Pro, upgrading is easy. Do it. The difference is massive. You get stronger ANC, longer battery life, health tracking, translation features, better fit, better durability, and a much smarter ecosystem experience. The upgrade value is obvious. If you own the AirPods Pro 2, the decision becomes harder. The AirPods Pro 2 remain excellent earbuds. If your current pair still works perfectly and you mainly listen to music at home or in the office, waiting is completely reasonable. But if you travel often, work out regularly, need better battery life, want stronger noise cancellation, or plan to use Apple Intelligence features over the next several years, the AirPods Pro 3 become much easier to justify. Now let's compare them with the biggest competitor, the Sony WF-1000XM5. Sony still delivers some of the best sound quality in the wireless earbuds market. Many audio enthusiasts may still prefer Sony tuning, but Apple wins in ecosystem integration. It wins in health features. It wins in device switching. It wins in spatial audio experiences. And now it may win in intelligent features too. For Android users, Sony remains the better investment. For iPhone users, the decision is becoming increasingly obvious. This could completely change the buying decision, because Apple is no longer competing on audio quality alone. Apple is competing on convenience, and convenience is very difficult to beat. So here's the final verdict. If you use first-generation AirPods Pro, buy now. If you own AirPods Pro 2 and care about travel, health tracking, fitness, or Apple Intelligence, upgrading makes sense. If you only listen to music casually and your AirPods Pro 2 still perform perfectly, waiting is reasonable. For new buyers entering the premium wireless earbud market, however, the answer is simple. At $249, the AirPods Pro 3 offer one of the strongest combinations of premium experience, ecosystem advantage, long-term value, and future-proof features available today. These are no longer just earbuds. They are becoming one of the most important devices in Apple's entire ecosystem.